Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can hide like counts easily on Instagram. So go to your profile page and select the picture that you want to hide the like count. Select the three dots next to your name, your username, and select hide like count. You're going to be able to see it, as you can see, but people who view your page won't be able to view your like count, so only you can see it. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!